What's up, you guys? So today I'm reviewing the slime that I bought from Amazon. So it's basically like a bee slime. It was supposed to be clear, but it got a little inflated. So it comes with these two really cute bee charms. I wanted it to come with the honeycomb stick thing. Came with these two bee charms. Put those aside. And it was really reppy. So let's see. I kind of fixed it with some water, soap, and lotion. So it's now kind of stretchy. But if you do it really fast, it'll rip, or rough, it'll rip. It also has really, really good bubble pops. I'll show you guys. Okay, so let me show you the bubbles. I don't know if this slime can make a bubble. Let's see. And it broke. Oh no. But when you try to make a bubble, it makes really good bubble pops. Now time for some ASMR. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace out.